Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So the other day I was on Charmaine Galloway's live when she was designing her over the edge cards, and I was like, oh, those are really cute, I want to try them. And then I think it might have been a couple days later, or I'm not exactly sure when, but the Best Uni uploaded a video where she did over the edge, but she did birthday cards, and I was shook because she did hers on photo paper, printed it through her sublimation printer, and then activated it with the heat. Her colors came out so vibrant and so pretty. I was absolutely shook. I tried it and I must have some boo-boo photo paper because it ain't working for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to remember to link her video down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about with the photo paper. Hers came out so cute, and I tried it, but my photo paper is not cooperating. So what I did was I did glitter cardstock. I did white iridescent glitter cardstock, and I think these came out so pretty with the glitter. And then mine are corner to corner. I folded mine corner to corner, and then the over the edge is the hair part. So this is the one that I did. Okay, like I said, glitter cardstock. But that photo paper one, honey, Best Uni had me shook. This is the second one that I did. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how I did these on the glitter cardstock. And I will link everything down below, all of my supplies and everything like that. So make sure you check the description box. But yeah, this is what we're getting into today. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off in Cricut Design Space so I can show you guys how I made my cards. And then I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to start with this one first. So I just have a background, and then I have the little girl that I purchased, or the lady that I purchased from Etsy. Okay. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I use this little sunflower background a lot. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. Now I'm going to start off making this card. Ooh, I have to sneeze. I'm going to resize the card after I've put it all together. Okay, so this is a digital paper that I purchased from Etsy, and then this is a PNG file that I also purchased from Etsy. I will try to remember to link them down below, both shops. But this is going to be the size of my card, okay? Or this is going to be the actual card, and then this is going to be the part that's going to hang over the edge. Okay, so just automatically I do like that. Uh-oh, where'd my girl go? Cricut Design Space acting crazy for me, has been acting crazy for me. Okay. I don't want it that big. I'm basically just lining up the corners here with the corner of the card. And then her hair is going to be, and some of her shoulders going to be hanging off of the edge. This is actually really simple to do. There is two ways to do it. You can do it this way, and then you can print then cut this whole thing. So you would have to make it 6.75 by 9.25, which is what I'm going to be doing today. If you want your card to be bigger, then you're going to have to do these separate. So you're going to have to make this the size that it can print, and then make this the size that it can print. So this one would have to be, you know what I'm saying? Like they would have to be separate, and then you'll have to glue her onto the cover versus your printer printing it and then cutting it. And I'll show you how. I'm going to do the print and cut the whole thing so that my Cricut will cut it out. I'm not going to be doing any gluing. Okay. So I forgot to do the score line. So This is the, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and size it once I'm done with it because I just need it big enough to see right now. I don't have my glasses or nothing like that, but I am gonna go in here, I'm gonna get a score line. I'm gonna make it the size that I need it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and select both align and center. So that's where the card is gonna be folded at. And then we're gonna go ahead and make sure that this fits. All right, and then I'm going to get some text. I did make this already. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what the name of the text was. Let me see. That was the one that I tried out myself already. So the name of the font, here it is right here. I'm just gonna duplicate this because I want this same font. And then I'm gonna go and hide this again. Okay, so this is the font. This is the name of it, Seagull Script. Okay, and then I am just going to go ahead and line this up. This is a Cricut font, I believe. And line it up like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and select everything. We're gonna group and attach. So when we go to print, it's gonna print as one image. Now, obviously, because of Cricut, we can only print 9.25 or 6.75 by 9.25. So I'm gonna do 9.25 width, unlock that, do the height 6.75. So that's how my card's gonna look. Okay, there's the first one, super cute. And then the second one, basically, it's gonna be the same thing. I created this digital font, this digital wallpaper in Canva. Basically, I just used the gradient in Canva, and then I used the heart. I lowered the transparency on the heart and just kind of scattered it around. So I did make this in Canva, but I'm going to go into shapes. I'm going to grab a heart. And I think I turned it to the side. And this is going to be a print and cut as well. And we're gonna turn it red. So I'm not gonna design the whole thing. This is it right here, I believe. Here it is. So this is the second one that I made. My computer is acting so slow today. This is the second one that I made. And then, like I said, I just took that heart, turned it to the side, and then I used the same font, and I typed out Happy Valentine's Day and I love you, and I put it on the heart. And then we just resized it exactly how we did in on the first one. So this is 9.25 wide by 6.75 high. Okay. And they're both print and cut images. So, and I have to add a score line here, but these are the two cards I'm going to do. Now I'm going to print them, one on glitter cardstock and one on the photo paper, like I was telling you guys in my intro, just because I want to see how they look. I do have my settings already set on my printer to sublimate. To sublimate. And with that is the mirror option. So it's automatically going to print mirrored. But because I'm not sublimating this onto anything, I have to go ahead and mirror. so that it'll print out the right way. Otherwise, I would have to go in and change my settings on my printer, and I really don't want to do that. So if you have your settings on your Sublimation printer already set to automatically mirror, make sure you mirror this. So now it's mirrored on Cricut. So when your Sublimation printer goes to mirror it, when it prints it, it's actually going to be the right way because you're not sublimating this onto anything. Okay, hopefully that made sense. And then I'm going to hit continue. There is an option for you to cut on glitter cardstock, and I will just show you that right now. Glitter cardstock. And you're just going to cut on this one. And then if you're using the photo paper, they also have a photo paper option here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get these printed and cut. Oh, I'm going to get them printed first, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to use it with the heat press, and then we're going to cut it, and I'll show you all of that as well. All right, y'all, so I am back, and I do have both my cards printed. I have this one printed on glitter and this one printed on photo paper. I'm printing this one on photo paper too because I just want to see how it looks. But with this really only takes about 10 seconds to do. So I do have my heat press on 400 degrees, and it's really only going to be, like I said, 10 seconds. Because if you over press it, the white cardstock will start to turn brown because it's burned. So, do you see the difference in the color? How that just popped like that? All it needs is 10 seconds. And then here's the photo. Now, I think my photo paper, we're going to see if it works. I'm going to do like 5 seconds on this one, okay? Because I don't think I have good photo paper like that. But I'm about to try it. Nope. See, my photo paper, I don't know. My photo paper keep trying to melt, and it creates like these little white lines right here. So, and it's like wrinkling up a little bit. So my photo paper is not good photo paper. It doesn't take the heat well. But I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna cut it because it's really easy. I'm gonna cut the glitter one. Like I said, I am going to try to link the Best Unis video down below because on her photo paper it came out really good. I'm just using a light grip blue mat, and then I'm gonna put it in my Cricut machine. And I have my settings on glitter cardstock already on my computer, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and cut. Yeah, my photo paper isn't all that great, so I'm not sure what brand photo paper Uni used, but mine ain't it. It's not working. So I'm gonna just rock with the glitter cardstock. The glitter looks it looks really pretty. So I'm gonna just rock with that. Alright, so I am back and I do have them all cut out. Like I said, my photo paper is, I don't think it's the right photo. Maybe mine is just not the right photo paper. I don't know because it's not working for me. And I don't feel like going out to get another one. So I'm just going to rock with the glitter cardstock. But as you guys can see, let me turn that down so y'all can see because you probably can't see. I think the glitter cardstock came out super cute. And then you can either add, like glue a page in here. You can do the Cricut pen if you wanted to. You could handwrite your message, whatever you want to do, and it is front and back. And then here is the second one, the Valentine's Day one. This is also on the glitter cardstock. Came out super, super pretty. And mine is, so I did fold mine corner to corner, and then the heart is what's over the edge. So if you turn it around, you can see the heart. You can fold it, like there's 100 different ways you can do it. Same with this one. So it's folded corner to corner, corner to corner, and then her hair is what's over the edge. So this is just the way I preferred it. This is the way that I liked it. You can do it however you want to do it. All right, well, that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Drop any comments, questions, comments, concerns down below. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.